Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to your 2023 Honda CR-V. Now when you go to connect right here, it's going to tell you that you need to connect the smartphone to a USB cable. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and do that, and you'll notice that you get a message here. It's going to ask if, in this case, since I have an Apple device, do I want to enable CarPlay? We're going to click yes right there. And then it's going to ask me to allow the same thing here on the screen with my phone. And there you go. It's that simple. Now, I did previously pair my phone via Bluetooth, and you would like to see how to do that. I will make sure to leave a link to that video in the description of this video.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.